That got on you? Did it? Oh, perdóname, lo siento. Oh, excuse me, sorry.
I hope you're not sick.
Huh?
I hope you don't have corona. I need to sneeze right from me.
It got on you?
Yeah, all on my hand.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. What?
The sneeze?
It got on you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Damn, baby.
Sorry.
Oh, thank you. Have a great day.
45 on 3.